Right, welcome everyone, and this is the floor plan of our cosmetology lab. Right, this is one of two ramps, and we have railings on either side of the ramp. This is our desk. We have chairs at each desk, and we have lamps on the desk. This is our sink for washing your hands, face, or anything that may be needed. We have a fire extinguisher in the corner next to the teacher's desk. We have storage, and of course we have bathrooms nearby. So we have regular toilets, and we have toilets that are suitable for persons with disabilities. All right, we'll get a bit more into that later on. And at the front here, we have our main ramp. So this is a 360-degree view of our building. This is what it looks like. You can see the ramps with the railings, and it's very safe for anyone. It's a very gentle slope, so whether you're walking or you are in a wheelchair, it's accessible to all. This is the main corridor, and I would have realized that my laptop is very underpowered and I couldn't render all the images as well as I would have liked. But above the door we have the sign signaling the male bathroom and the exit. Straight ahead you can see the classroom. To our right we have the bathrooms, and we're just going to turn around again. These are the windows, of course, and this is the main entrance / exit. Right, let's look at the bathroom. So in the bathroom, and in this bathroom specifically, we are catering for persons with disabilities. So the sinks are lower, the toilets are also lower without any lids, and there's a handle next to the toilet which will allow persons to easily get on or off of the toilet. Very important if you are catering for everyone. Right, this is our workshop. This is the main classroom, so to speak. So each desk has a lamp on it. In cosmetology, lighting is very important, so that's self-explanatory. We also have 2 fire extinguishers in the classroom. So this is the first of 2, because we never know what will happen or what can happen. So these are posters on the wall for motivation, etc., guidelines. And this is our sink. So we have our sink in the lab, and there's storage underneath it, and behind it we have another cupboard which has secure storage as well. Now in this corner next to the teacher's desk, we have the extractor fan to remove odors, etc. We have another poster, we have another fire extinguisher and a plant. This is our whiteboard at the big front, of the class. And on this side we have the exit.